How we doing? How we doing? Today is Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025. Just doing the real estate tap in with you for today. A little bit colder out here today, so not walking. There's been an uptick in FHA delinquencies. And that's something to be concerned about because that means that people in the moderate to low income area usually do FHA loans because of the low down payment. And if we're starting to see, a rise in the delinquencies in that could tell us a lot about what may be coming in terms of housing. With everything that's going on now with, people losing their jobs, laying off people. A lot of times these people, have qualified for FHA loans. And so, like I said, this could just be just the beginning of, some overall, maybe some issues starting to, pop up in the real estate market. So it's definitely something to keep your eye on. I'll attach the article to this. Also, one of the headlines that I saw is that the demand has gone up. The closer we get to 6.5 or below interest rates, we will see a uptick in demand. And what I always talk about when it comes to demand is that a certain part of the people that, apply for housing do not get qualified. And again, we always talk about real estate notes, potential seller financing. So that just means that there are probably going to be more buyers out there that can qualify for seller financing. So for people that are realtors, if you're selling your house, selling it yourself, you want to consider this as an option. And we can help you create these properly, so you're protected, the buyer's protected, and you can get the most money out of this particular structure. So, because you want to drive as many eyeballs to the property as possible, and seller financing is considered an amenity. It's just like having a finished basement, some type of finished garage or something like that on the house. It'll attract more eyeballs to your particular property. So if you are a realtor and you may be in an area where there are some changes going on in the market, maybe it's slowing down, not selling as fast, you want to try and present this option to your seller. You can also get buyers to come to you. They know that you're somebody that works with people who can't get qualified. You'll have more buyers, and you could potentially bring them to more homes, and present this as an option to them. So those are a couple of things that I saw that look pretty interesting. We're still doing this whole back and forth tariff thing. Obviously a bunch of people in the Department of Education lost their job. So depending on where those people are, maybe you'll see some more uptick in listings. That should help, most likely overall pricing. So, you have to think about where you are, where you live, what's going on, in your local area. But these are just some national headlines that, we need to be concerned about and looking into. And again, when it comes back to notes and the delinquency, a lot of times what you'll see is that, the bank will not necessarily foreclose on these people. They'll take these delinquent borrowers and they'll sell off the notes. They'll sell off to, hedge funds, private equity, and then that gives, potential real estate investors at a lower level an opportunity to purchase those notes and be able to help homeowners stay in their home, figure something out for them, or turn it into a different type of investment for the investor. So there is going to be some opportunity there with situations like that, and there are already a number of situations that we have current in the market that can be taken advantage of, whether it be a performing note or a non-performing note, or some of these other subcategories like semi-performing or reperforming. So it's a good time. Like I said, if you have some capital, you're looking to invest it, get a solid return, minimal risk. If you have a retirement plan, you may want to think about using some of those funds to take advantage of the opportunities that are available right now. All right. If you have any questions or concerns, you can post a question, leave a comment, and my contact information will be attached to this as well. Take it easy.